Hi. Hi everyone. Let's continue with our business intelligence interview questions. We were discussing about basic BI interview questions. So the next question that can be expected is, what are the primary objectives of business intelligence? The primary objectives of business intelligence are obviously to check if the company is running as per the particular plan which they have already made. Then it is essential to make enterprise level decisions to identify the wrong tracks and approaches of a business. Business intelligence can cluster the data for analysis and compile them to monitor corrective actions, extraction of trends and insights from business using business intelligence tools. These are the different primary objectives of business intelligence. Also, remember to include all the different keywords while explaining an answer, while responding to a question during an interview. Now, define the term data warehousing, which is a very important question that can be expected while you are appearing for an interview. Data warehousing is the process of constructing and using a data warehouse. It is the secure electronic storage of information by a business or an organization. So the goal of data warehousing is to create a trove of historical data that can be retrieved or analyzed to provide useful insight into the organization's operations. So it is kind of a repository system used to analyze and report data from various heterogeneous sources and forms. So the data can be available from the Oracle database, SQL Server, Postgres, or a simple Excel sheet. So the warehouse uses one central mechanism called the repository through which the business analyst can fetch all historical reports associated with the data. Mention some characteristics of data warehouse. So a data warehouse is a separate database. It is responsible for storing historical information records, which is kept separate from the operational or current database. So whenever required, the particular historical data can be retrieved and analyzed or processed from the data warehouse, which helps the top management to make strategic or tactical decisions. So analyzing data in the data warehouse helps the business analysts and users to see the current business trends. It is also responsible for consolidating historical data analysis. These are the different characteristics of data warehouse. Now the next question, how would you define Power BI as an effective solution? Power BI is a strong business analytical tool that creates useful insights and reports by collating data from unrelated sources. Data can be extracted from any source like Excel or hybrid data warehouses. So Power BI drives an extreme level of utility and purpose using interactive graphical interface and visualizations. These are all the keywords: interactive graphical interface and visualizations. You can create reports using the Excel BI toolkit and share them on cloud with your colleagues. To discuss what are the different trends in business intelligence, you should have some knowledge about self-service business intelligence, artificial intelligence, and increased automation. What industries benefit most from business intelligence? So the industries which benefit most from business intelligence are food and beverage industry, retail industry, travel and transport, energy, agricultural industry, and the healthcare industry. Currently, education, oil and gas, and insurance. These are all the industries which are adopting business intelligence right now. What exactly is self-service BI? Self-service BI or self-service business intelligence is an approach to data analytics, reporting, and visualization that enables users to generate easy to understand, intuitive, and actionable dashboards almost instantaneously. And the key to remember, or the fact, is that the users do not need to have technical expertise in order to use this. Using available filters and data manipulation options, they can influence data as per their business needs and further create reports. There are two parts to Microsoft Self-Service BI, which is Power BI and Excel BI Toolkit.